Good morning, beautiful snow people. It is Friday, the 19th of April, and I'm not supposed to be here today. As it turns out, I'm not working, but I'm gonna go have some fun on this thing. This is my Never Summer snowboard from 2014, 15, somewhere around there. The last time I rode it was probably spring of, probably about February, March of 2019, when I realized that skiing is actually generally much more effective for ski patrol, strangely enough. So we're gonna go out and do that. I brought my tiny baby drone with me, and we will occasionally put that up. See, cute. But do not try that at home, my friends. I am a commercial drone operator and work for the company, so stuff and junk. I will get permission for that. So let's go slide. I'll admit to being nervous, my friends. I'm a little scared. I'm headed up to a beautiful dove. I know. It's a woodpecker. 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 Anyway, so I'm headed up to, it is a nice, pretty warm day. Probably gonna be about 50 something. The snow looks like it's already slushed up nicely, so that's good. I do intend to put my drone up a couple times, put that up for a minute or two here and there, and should be fun. Let's go. All right, so this is going to be a very, very different video than normal. They're all kind of a little bit special in their own way, but today I'm going to put up my little Potensic Atom with the frog eyes. My thought is I'm just going to get a little kind of an overview. We got the peak over here. I'm going to get a couple cool shots of that, and just, I don't know, look down on the rest of the resort. That'll be kind of fun. About to find out whether the Potensic Atom can fly at 11,300 feet altitude. Should be interesting. Right now the wind, at least where I'm sitting, is really quite light, so that is good. But in the meantime, let's get little man in the air, shall we? We wait for a minute to get some satellites. There we go. There it is, Potensic Atom. Flew up to about 11,700 feet and still stayed below the level of the peak. Pretty neat. So this right here is why I got the Potensic Atom, so I can put it in my backpack. Go mountain biking, obviously snowboarding, skiing, whatever. Pretty cool. Film that bad boy right there a little bit. Not sure exactly how the film's going to turn out. It's on all the auto settings, so we will see, won't we? All right, so in the comments, let me know if you'd like to see more drone footage, because I can certainly do that. Of course, that'll be going forward next season, whatnot. I will need to get permission probably each time from the powers that be to fly it, and it also has to be in pretty low wind. Today was only like 6 or 8 miles an hour, so really next to no wind at all for Bryan Head. As we all know, it gets pretty damn windy here. Ridiculous. All right, everybody, so here goes my first time on a snowboard in 5 long years, so pray for me. Of course, if you'll probably see this video regardless of whether I live or not, so whatever. Should be fun. Oh, I can still slide, so that's good. We'll see if it's like riding a bike. I'm thinking no. A little bit. Conditions are fantastic right now. We're open for another 3 weeks. A little ice. Yes, I am going down the hill sideways. Why do you ask? I'm going so slow. Slushy! That's fun. It's so fun. I forgot what carving feels like on a snowboard. It's nice. Real nice. Well, I survived my first run. That's good. That was so fun. State your name for the record.
My name is Cameron Williams.
Okay, where were you from, Cameron?
I'm from Idaho, from Declo, Idaho.
Declo.
Yeah.
It even sounds cool. This has been your first season?
This is my first season.
Okay.
First season on patrol.
All right, and you're full-time?
I'm part-time.
Cool, all right. So how have you enjoyed ski patrol?
Oh my gosh, I love it.
What's the best thing?
The best thing, I think, is I love the morning laps on the mountain while we're doing sweeps before anybody is out.
Nice. Honesty. Good
it's
job.
It's pretty good stuff.
Okay, what's the, what do you find the most difficult aspect?
I think the most difficult aspect is, I don't know.
Think of something. There's got to be something you don't enjoy.
I don't always enjoy being stuck at the top shack. I don't like sitting still.
So boring.
So boring.
So boring.
Not a fan of sitting around.
You feel kind of bad about just waiting for someone to hurt themselves while you're bored.
Yeah, I'm like this is boring. I need some action, but I also don't want people to
hurt themselves. So you can get some action. All right. Also, what everybody wants to know is, what is your favorite type of pudding?
Oh, my favorite type of pudding is pistachio pudding. I'm gonna backtrack. Cut that off. Cut that part out.
All right. Edit.
Hold on. My favorite pudding?
Yeah.
Tapioca pudding. Hands down.
That is
Homemade
good.
tapioca pudding. Have fun.
The beautiful snow people.
Beautiful snow people. Have so much fun. Enjoy the time on the mountain because it doesn't get much better than this.
No, it doesn't. All right, this is my third run, and a little better. So hope that progress continues. Found a bit of ice. Oops. All discombobulated. Like I was saying, I do tend to try more on a snowboard. Not sure why. And so I tend to crash more on a snowboard. Ooh, that slush feels good. Oh, going flat on a snowboard's lackluster. They have this nicely groomed. My leg hurts. My hind leg. My haunches. Whew. I don't remember how to go switch right now. Oh, although I don't want to. So we're heading over to lift number 1. From there, we're going to go over to beautiful Navajo, which is not a punishment. All right, so based on my ancient Roman belief system, Fortuna was watching over me as I went down big hills like over there at Sunburst. This is not the way it's supposed to work. It's broke. Yikes, it just broke on me as I was coming down Kodachrome here. That could have been real bad. Yikes. It makes me question all the little straps on my stuff. It's scary. All right, so now we're just gonna skate back. We got top of 4 over there. So we're gonna slowly but surely skate our way back over there. What a bummer. Man, I'm glad that didn't happen when I was going fast. It would have been bad. It would be real bad. Well, I suppose this is what I get for